Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, in our last video, we've been trying to dial in this ridiculous ZGP HyperShift over the right base color. We showed it to you over a total menu of different colors, from red, white, mandarin orange, flex blue, nardo gray, yellow, pure purple, a whole bunch. And we asked you guys to do a very difficult task. We wanted you to vote on one specific base color for us to take full scale. And I know it was tough. I know a ton of people loved it over red. A lot of people loved it over nardo gray, and I don't blame you. It looked crazy over nardo. But the #1 request was for pure purple. And I was really hoping pure purple would pull ahead. And here's why. The ZGP HyperShift is a purple to gold shift in powder form. But it looks nothing like this when you put it over a neutral base like black. We wanted to recreate that color, so I think this pearl over the pure purple base, which is right here, may give us an end result that looks very similar to that powder. So here we go, ZGP over pure purple. Enjoy the video. So the first time we sprayed ZGP, we did it over a black base at 12.5 grams per gallon, and Gabe and I both agreed that the pigment load was too high on that car. We got some cloudiness and some striping, so on the speed shape testing, we actually did 5 grams per gallon, and that really was the sweet spot. We got nice color build over 3 coats. We didn't have to force it, didn't have to worry about too much there. So we're gonna go with 5 grams a gallon again. So like always, we're gonna start with Glossy Dip Pearl top coat. And then I'm gonna measure out 10 grams here of ZGP Pearl. That way, when we actually cut this with, thank you, with another gallon of Dip Pearl top coat and then shred it with the dispersion blade, we'll be at a 5 gram per gallon load. So let's see if I can do this without making a mess. 3.5. 6.5, 8, and 10. 10 grams per gallon right here. So in goes 10 grams per gallon, or 10 grams, which will be 5 grams per gallon. And we're gonna mix this up. Now you guys have seen this pearl in liquid form before. Everyone thinks the same thing. I wish this is what it looked like when it was sprayed on a car. And again, we did not get that end result when we sprayed it over black. We were, dare I say, unpleasantly surprised. I mean, the car still looked good, but this is what we were hoping for, and this is not what we got. This time, spraying this pearl over pure purple, we may get something pretty close. No promises, but it's plausible. Small scale it worked, kinda. So, I always try to show you this pearl on a stick. It never works, so I'm not gonna do it this time. We're gonna load this up. Actually, we're gonna cut this with another gallon of Glossy Dip Pearl top coat. We're gonna blend it up with a dispersion blade, load it up into the gun, shoot it over pure purple. Let's go. All right, guys, we are all done with the project, and this wraps up the entire ZGP experiment that we were doing. And here's the thing, you guys were right on target. A couple of those other base coats would have looked great, and I'm sure we'll probably revisit a couple of them in the future, but this pure purple ZGP combo might be one of the wildest, craziest combinations and color flips that we've ever done. No need to talk anymore. We're gonna bring you right outside so you can check it out. When you see this car, you know what to do. In the comment section below, rate this 1 through 5. 1, you're not feeling it at all. 5, you absolutely love it. If you want to dip your own car, we have tons of kits to choose from. Everything to dip your wheels, your emblems, your entire car. Click right up here. It'll bring you to all of our kits. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next video.